Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the MIA Bus Tracker, Miami Transit Arrival Times, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. MIA Bus Tracker is a real-time public transit tracking app created to help Miami-Dade bus riders know exactly when their bus will arrive. It uses live GPS data to show where each bus is on its route and provides estimated arrival times for every stop. The app is available on both iOS and Android and is commonly used by daily commuters, students, and anyone relying on Miami's public transit system. The app's main feature is its real-time bus tracking. You can view live bus locations on the map, check upcoming arrival predictions, and see complete route information. It also lets you save favorite routes and stops for quick access and offers service alerts so riders stay informed about delays or schedule changes. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the accuracy of arrival predictions, the clean interface, and how quickly they can check the status of their bus. It helps reduce waiting time at stops and improves planning for daily commutes. Riders also like that it is integrated with the Miami-Dade Transit system, making route details and maps easy to access. However, there are some drawbacks. Since the app depends heavily on GPS tracking, accuracy may drop when buses lose signal or data updates lag. Some users also report occasional glitches, missing buses on the map, or slow refresh rates during peak hours. In addition, the app's features rely on internet connectivity, which can affect performance in low-signal areas. In summary, the MIA Bus Tracker app may be worth using if you want real-time bus arrival updates, quicker commute planning, and reliable route information. However, if you prefer fully offline tools or frequently travel in low-coverage areas, the app's real-time accuracy may not always work perfectly for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.